Marketing as we know it has completely changed. You can now run campaigns on autopilot and have it optimize itself 100 times a day while you work on other things in your business. That's vibe marketing. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the things that you need to do to implement vibe marketing in your business, even if you run the business by yourself or you have a team with you. So let me take you through a presentation that I've put together for this video on vibe marketing and everything you need to know. So vibe marketing is the new playbook that turns AI into a 24/7 marketing engine. As I mentioned before, you can now run a marketing campaign that iterates itself hundreds of times a day while you do other things, and that's what vibe marketing is. And I want to show you in this video exactly what you need to build the stack, even if you're a team of one. So why should you care about vibe marketing? Essentially, this is now giving you better AI models that you can start to use in your campaigns. The AI models are better, they're cheaper and faster than ever before. The responses are more detailed than we've seen them as well. And now there's a no-code revolution happening. No-code tools let non-developers build workflows in minutes. And you have readily available access. Custom software now costs the price of a Netflix subscription, where previously it used to cost 50k plus. You can now very quickly and easily put things together based on just using some AI tools that will build you a custom software with no code. So what is vibe marketing exactly? It consists of 3 different areas. The first one is no-code AI tools. Now this is platforms like Bolt, Replit, and Lovable, and it makes AI coding accessible to everyone. These tools require zero programming knowledge to implement. So as you can see in this example here, with Replit, I'll just open this one up. You can literally just say, make me a business tool for procurement teams that help streamline employee onboarding and training. Include customizable reporting dashboards, and then you can literally just start building with AI. That's how easy it is to start building micro custom softwares using no-code tools and using AI prompting. Now, there's also workflow automation as a second step in vibe marketing. And this is tools like Make, Zapier, and Gumloop. Now, I've spoken about Make on a few different videos of mine. And essentially, these platforms connect different tools and platforms seamlessly together. They eliminate manual data transfers between marketing tools. So an example would be you can now connect someone who fills out a form to go straight into your Google Sheets or any data table that you have, and then you can send out a message automatically to everyone in your team that there's been a new form filled out, and you can use ChatGPT to summarize that form and send out the summary to everyone in the team. So there's a lot of things you can do, and that can be a whole other video in itself, but that's a huge part of what vibe marketing is. Now the third thing is AI-powered focus. Now, essentially, this is you need to build out your whole marketing campaign leveraging AI for continuous improvement and optimization. And essentially, it runs 24/7 without constant human intervention. So when you build your whole marketing campaign around AI and you power all of it using workflow automations, no-code AI tools, you're essentially building a campaign that is fully AI powered and is doing things 24/7 on autopilot based on the prompts and instructions that you give it. Now this is an image of Make, which I'm sure if you are watching this video, you've probably heard of this tool before. And this is the one that I was mentioning that can connect multiple different applications together. So the vibe marketing formula consists of 4 different things. Vibe coding tools, which is creating custom apps without coding, which is what I just mentioned before, like Replit, Lovable. And then workflow automations, which you connect tools to eliminate manual tasks. Always on AI agents, because when you deploy the AI, it works for you 24/7. And self-optimizing campaigns. This is marketing that improves automatically. So you can start to prompt the AI to get the 10 best ideas when it's scraped a social media platform like Reddit, and then get it to pick the best 3 based on the strongest hook, your content theme that you've set for yourself as a brand, and then it can give you those responses in your Google Sheet, in the Airtable, anything like that. It's optimizing your campaigns by itself now. And when you start to get the content metrics inside as well, you can also automate that and essentially get it to show you the best outputs, the best prompts, idea generations as well for your content, for your paid ads. It can look at your metrics and then give you summaries and tell you what it needs to do, what images or creatives you need to change. All of this is now self-optimizing, and you can already see a lot of these platforms doing it as part of their what they offer. So Google Ads has Performance Max, which is heavily AI focused, and Meta also has Advantage Plus campaigns now. So even the two biggest ad platforms in the world are focusing heavily on AI optimization. They're sending them out to the right audience. There's no longer a need to do manual audience targeting. So all of this now is becoming more self-optimizing than ever before. So there's a 3-layer vibe marketing toolkit. This is exactly how the 3 sections that I've just mentioned need to be put together. So you have your vibe coding platform, and you can build just a micro application for yourself that can have your dashboard and show you all the different levels of inputs and data that you want it to give. You will connect a workflow automation like Make to your new vibe coding micro app, as well as it will connect to ChatGPT or Claude or whichever AI assistant LLM you use. And then this will essentially give feedback back to the software that you've built, and then they will consistently work together in sync essentially. So AI assistants will write the copy, adjust the brand voice, and summarize test results automatically. Automation tools will push the top headlines to A/B test and update your database. And you want to have kind of an all-in-one system where you have all this information. It doesn't have to be a custom software. It can just be Airtable, Google Sheets, the actual no-code AI tools that you can build a custom software with aren't a necessity in vibe marketing. If you don't want to build a custom app for yourself or for your clients, you can just use the existing data tables that are available now, like Sheets and like Airtable. But having a custom dashboard is something that you can look at offering for your clients, or if you want to implement it for your business as well. Having that vibe coding built through Replit is a really cool kind of custom thing to have that will work with your vibe marketing toolkit. Now, future planning and why this matters for your business. High frequency marketing. Essentially, campaigns will start to require someone to oversee the whole system while AI works at high frequency, conducting hundreds of micro tests daily. So there's no longer a need to have one person for each specific task and having to hire 5 or 10 people to do all these different things. You will now have one person overseeing the whole system and making sure the automations are working correctly, the prompting is correct, and then the output and the data it's giving you also is in line with the business goals. Small team advantages is another huge positive in vibe marketing. Brands with small teams with AI focus will beat the corporate giants simply because of speed. Now, even if the team is small now, whether it's 3 or 5 people, or even you on your own, you can now outmarket essentially big businesses who are not adapting and adopting AI into their business. Purely because of the speed you're able to do everything at. So you can now test a lot quicker, you can try different things, you can get results faster because you're testing more. All of this will put you ahead of other businesses who are not implementing AI with their marketing system. And now you also have role evolution, which essentially your job now shifts from creator to orchestra of the smart agents. Similar to what I mentioned before, instead of actually sitting down and doing all the manual tasks yourself, you're now just controlling the AI agents that are doing these tasks for you. You're just overseeing it all. You make sure you keep that in mind, because that's exactly how you're going to advance with vibe marketing and with the new AI systems that you can implement with your business. And a huge one as well, of course, is time saving. So it will save you hours every single week by having automating all of these manual tasks that you used to do and spend a lot of time on, and you can now get results faster. More tasks, more testing, and more time saved. So all of these, 4 factors are huge in advancing as a business, getting ahead of your competition, and essentially just, testing quicker, getting results faster, and then being able to scale and grow the business. So, are you ready to build your first Vibe marketing workflow? Book a call with me, and the link will be in the description below, and you can have a free discovery call. We can plan out how you can do this for your business if you're unsure about how you can implement it or how you can see the advantage yourself. We can talk about all of that in a free discovery call. The link will be in the description below. Pick a time that suits you, and I'll be happy to have a chat to see how we can implement this for your business. Subscribe for updates. I'm going to be putting a lot of AI marketing content moving forward, and you can now start to get weekly deep dives on AI powered marketing strategies with the videos that I will be posting moving forward. And share your interest. Comment down below on which layer of the tool stack you want to see demonstrated next. Whether it's building out automations, whether it's showing you the no-code tools where you can build custom applications, or just linking them all together, or using certain AI prompts with ChatGPT or Claude. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see with this new Vibe marketing wave and how you can implement it in your business, and I'll be happy to help and post some more content to give you a better understanding on how you can improve your business with Vibe marketing. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.